Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to teach how to increase image canvas size and use the content well filling tool to fill up the increased area. Let's begin now. Let's look at this image. We're going to zoom out first. Come to the layer. We just unlock this layer first. And then we come to the crop tool here. And make sure we take this delay cropped pixels. And we just press here and drag all the way to the left. If this area is okay for you, and just tick OK. And now we come to the marquee tool here, and I just select this area. Let me allow some overlapping here a little bit. And then we come to the edit, and come all the way to the content well filling. Alright. It's the preview. Probably we can increase the selection area. We just click here. We just increase the reference area here. Okay, use the small brush tool here. Alright. Okay, let's see the result one more time. Okay, it looks much more better, right? Just increase the size. Let me just move around, take a look. Alright, it looks good. I just reduce it. This is the preview here. If we're happy with the result, and then we just press OK. Then we are done. Now let's come to the select and deselect. So we have increased the image canvas size to this area, and probably you can use this area to fill up some new image or do some modification works. And for me, I'm going to write some text here. Okay, I'm going to go to the text and type whatever things you like. Maybe right, you can type how are you, and then you can change the color to blue color, or you can change the size of the wording. Sorry, just change it to 200. You can define the size you like. Alright, then we're done. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.